Hey folks, it's Casey Dimon here with the TaxSaleAcademy.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to access free tax sale list. Now this video is actually a screencast showing you step-by-step instructions on how to access those free lists. You'll actually see my web browser, you'll see what I type, you'll see where I click. That way you can mimic this for the counties that you're interested in investing in. Now we've also done a presentation style video kind of with this very similar title, and it has more information, but it doesn't show you the screencast. It doesn't show you exactly how to get there, but like I said, it does have more information. And if you click on the blue link right here where it says clicking here, you can go ahead and watch that video right now. What you're going to see is how to access lists that are provided online. Obviously, if it's not provided online, I'm not going to be able to show you how to access it through my web browser. Usually it's just a simple phone call, but if you'd like to learn more information on how to access those lists, you can also click on that link above. And again, in that video, it shows you more information on how to access lists that aren't provided online. Now, just to reemphasize this, tax sale lists are free. There is no subscription needed. There's no special handshake or anything like that. There's no nonsense. Tax sale lists are absolutely 100% free, and they are very, very easy to access, as I'll show you right now. So the first place you're going to start is Google or some other search engine. What you're going to do, you're going to type in the name of the county that you're interested in obtaining the tax sale list to, followed by the department in that county responsible for the foreclosure auctions. For example, the state of Florida, the person responsible for it is the clerk of the circuit court. In Oklahoma, for instance, it's the tax collector or the treasurer. In Michigan, it's the treasurer. So it kind of varies from state to state, and it's very easy to figure out. But what we'll do is we'll search a few counties in Florida. We'll access those lists just to show you how to access these free tax sale lists. So let's start off with Lake County, for instance. We're going to type in Lake County Clerk of the Circuit Court. Hit enter. We're going to click right here, and it'll take us to the Lake County Clerk of the Circuit Court website. Now, usually it'll be somewhere on this main page, and it looks like here it is right here. It says Tax Deed Sales Calendar. So let's click on the Tax Deed Sales Calendar, and wham, there it is right there. We can click on one. Let's click on this one, on the 25th, for instance. We'll click on it, and this is your tax sale list. Now they actually have an online auction process. So this is a very easy platform to use if you want to go through the list and be able to bid right here online. It's super easy to use and super easy to understand. You know, as an example, it tells you your opening bid amount, the assessed value, the parcel ID. The parcel ID probably, it looks like it actually links to the property appraiser's website to give you some detailed information. So there's a lot of great information here. We can scroll down, and as you'll see, all the properties that are available at this particular tax deed auction. And if you remember right, it looks like they had 3 this month. So they probably have a few every single month. So there's constantly something to choose from in this county. So there's your tax sale list for Lake County. So what we'll do now is we'll actually go back to Google, and we will search for another county. Let's type in Leon County Clerk of the Circuit Court. It'll take us to Leon County's website. And again, usually somewhere on the main page, it will tell you something about the tax deed sales or the tax sales. If you can't find it right away, do yourself a favor. Click the Find button. That's Control and F. And what you can do is it'll pop up a little Find box. You can type in tax. There it is, right there, tax deed. It actually highlights it for us. So click on tax deed. That's what they refer to them as in the state of Florida. Then it's going to give you some information here. It says, basically to do your research and that kind of thing. And it says for the next auction date, click here. So we're going to click right there. And there it is. It shows us all the properties that are offered at this particular tax sale auction. We can scroll down, and again, it gives us a lot of information. It provides a link right here, looks like, to the tax bill, for instance. So here is your Leon County tax sale list. Let's go back to Google, and we'll search one more county just to give you another example. Let's search Seminole County, for instance. So we'll type in Seminole County Clerk of the Circuit Court. Search it, click right here, first one that pops up, and then somewhere on this page it will show us tax deed sales. Right here, we'll click on the tax deed sales, and then right here is your tax deed sale list. Again, you can scroll through it. It gives you the time it's going to be auctioned off. This actually has a few different lists combined. It says 2/20/2014. It has another one on 3/13/2014. Then it has the time, the certificate number, the date that the certificate was issued, which isn't a whole lot of relevance to you as a tax sale or a tax deed investor, but it also gives you the tax legal description along with the opening bid amounts. So here is your Seminole County tax deed list. So as you can see, obtaining access to tax deed sale and tax sale list are very, very easy. So they are 100% free. It's just a matter of figuring out where to go to look for them. So if you like more information on the tax sale investing business, including strategies, methods, and techniques that I've used for over 10 years, purchasing over 1,000 properties in numerous states across our beautiful country, head on over to thetaxsaleacademy.com. Again, that's thetaxsaleacademy.com. You can do that by clicking the blue link right here. And when you're there, download your free copy of my ebook, The Tax Sale Blueprint, and you'll be on your way to a very, very successful tax sale investing career. Have a wonderful day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.